Hara?
Ako kasi I've always been a nerd ever since. So normally, parang yung sinasabi nga ni Mr. Speaks kanina, so I would read a lot of stuff, I would absorb a lot of stuff without knowing what they're for. Pero parang in my mind, usually, when I read something or when I get information, when I learn something, ang question lagi sa utak ko is, how can I teach this? Actually, I just want to mention that I actually had a mentor. So I'm siguro compared to Vince and Mr. Speaks, I'm relatively new in the professional speaking field. So I started in 2014. My mentor was Sir Pocholo Gonzales, the voice master of the Philippines. And as one of the, nagsimula ako sa kanya, and when I say nagsimula ako, na parang, pag may talk siya, he would give me 5 minutes to speak on stage in his stage time, yung mga ganon. Doon ako nagsimula. So, walang sense yung mga sinasabi ko noon, yung mga ganyan. And then, eventually, I got invited. Actually, after noon, naging proxy ako sa kanya pagka may invitation pero hindi siya available. So, ako yung pinapadala. Hindi ako available pero si Ada ko ninyo, ganon. And then, until eventually, I got my own audience, so to speak. So, I got invited in my own speaking engagements. In public speaking, when people ask me, so, paano ba? Paano nga ba ako matututo or paano ako gagaling? I would always say, just do it.